Are you thinking about starting a dropshipping business but don't know where to start? No worries. I'm here to guide you through 6 simple steps to start your dropshipping journey. By the end of this video, you will be able to set to begin your dropshipping adventure. Hi, this is Sakhawat from Ecomclips, so let's dive in. Alright, the first thing is that you will do is market research. Before you start a dropshipping business on Shopify, it's important to do good research. This means finding out what products are popular, what people want to buy, and where there is a chance to sell things that aren't too competitive. Also, you need to know about your customer. Do research on customer behavior. In that way, you will be precise about who your customers are, what they like, and where they spend time online. Compare other stores and your competitors as well. Look at other stores selling similar things to see what they are doing and how you can stand out. Let's say you want to start selling trendy phone accessories on Shopify. You would research which accessories are popular right now, like phone cases or screen protectors. You would also like to other stores selling similar items to see what prices they are charging and how they are marketing their products. Alright, so you have done researching, now it is time to move on to the next step, find your product. Once selecting a product for dropshipping, you have to consider factors such as does the product has high demand in the market? If so, what is the level of competition and what will be the profit margin if I sell this? Also, you need to keep in mind the quality and shipping time as well. So, look for popular products that offer a good profit margin, have manageable competition, can be shipped quickly, and are a high quality. Choose your products wisely to ensure success in your dropshipping business. Now you have found your product. What's next step? Find a manufacturer. Once you have identified the right product for your dropshipping business, the next step is to find a manufacturer or supplier to source the product. Look for manufacturer that offers competitive pricing, good quality products, and reliable shipping options. Research different manufacturers, request sample if possible, and establish clear communication to ensure successful partnership. Consider factors like minimum order quantities and lead times when selecting a manufacturer, and aim to build a strong relationship to support your dropshipping business. Suppose you're dropshipping phone accessories like cases and chargers. You can look for manufacturers in places like China or South Korea that specialize in producing these items. So research different suppliers from China or South Korea. Find who gives you the best quality at the best price. Try to understand their manufacturing process and shipping options. By partnering with a reliable manufacturer, you can ensure that your phone accessories are of good quality and reach your customers promptly, supporting the success of your dropshipping business. So, you found your manufacturer, ordering tons of products, and now what? You need a store, right? Without a store, where are you going to sell your products? As we are talking about Shopify, here are the next step. Launch your store. This is where you will show all the products you have for sale. Customer can browse through your products collection and buy the items they want. To launch store on Shopify involves setting up your account, selecting a theme for your website, adding products, and customize your store design. You will also need to set up payment and shipping option as well as create a marketing plan to attract customer to your site. Once everything is in place, you can then officially launch your store and begin selling products to customers online. Shopify provides tools and resources to help guide you through these steps and ensure your store is successful. Launching a store without products makes no sense, so you need to add products to your store. This is the next step, add your products. For that, you need to log into your Shopify, go to the admin dashboard and click on the products tab. From there, you can select add product. To start creating your listing, enter details like the product's name, description, price, and photos to showcase your item. You can also set up variations for different options like sizes or colors. Additionally, you can organize your products into categories to make them easier to navigate for customers. Once you have filled in all the relevant information, click Save to publish your listing live on your store for customers to see and purchase. Shopify makes it simple to add and manage listing for your online stores. The last step is market your store. To market your Shopify store, you can start by setting up profiles on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Share posts regularly about your products. You should engage your audience, so try to respond to comments and messages. Also, you can run targeted ads in your social media to reach more people. Another thing, is you should optimize your product page with relevant keywords and create a blog to improve your search engine rankings. Also, partner with influencers to promote your products and consider sending free samples for reviews. Use Google Ads and list your products on Google Shopping. Encourage customers to leave reviews. You can offer discounts and run special promotion to attract new customers. Set up an affiliate program to let others promote to your products for a commission. Create valuable content like videos and how-to guides and share user-generated content from happy customers. Alright, these are the basic steps to start a successful dropshipping business on Shopify. With hard work and the right steps, you will be on your way for dropshipping success. Keep improving your store, talk to your customers, and stay updated with market trends. Well, that's all for today. Hope you will find this video helpful. Also, we have tons of information and educative e-commerce related videos that can help you grow your business. Go and check them out. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.